everyone, I'm Virginia from Autom Packaging Machinery. Today I'm going to show you our powder packaging machine. Its model number is ATM-F320D. It is suitable for packing coffee powder, milk powder, chili powder, flour, sugar, etc. Its filling gap is from 5 grams to 400 grams. Let's look at the machine. This is the powder storage tank with vibration feeder. It is full-grade stainless steel 304. You can put the powder inside, turn on the vibration button. That will shake the powder and transfer the powder automatically with this conveyor to the powder packing machine. This is the roll film installation part. We'll fix it well first. Then the film will go through this shaft to the back former. This is the back former, and here is the middle sealing device and the end sealing device with cutter. This is vertical type auger filler. Its metering screw is driven by the servo motor to make sure it's high precision. Look at this product level sensor. If the level is lower than the sensor, it will send some signal to the conveyor and send back powder. Let's look at the ribbon date printer. It can print manufacturing date, expire date, and lot number. Here is the ribbon roll. It's working synchronized with our powder packing machine. This is color code sensor. You can check the color code on the film automatically to make back length. This is the 7 inches touchscreen control panel. It is multi-language. We can choose English first. It's the production operation. We can press on, then stir the powder. Here is debugging and operation. This is for one bag. Inflation, cutter, vertical seal, horizontal seal. Its other functions. Here is the double pull fill. It's the parameter setting. You can set the back length here. Done. Then this is the alarm setting. We suggest you put this alarm on. Here's the powder function. We can adjust the numbers here. This is the speed of the laying off, the adjustment of the laying off for the circle. This is the feeding delay. We can adjust here too. This is the powder meter, single cutting or continuous cutting. This is the independent temperature controller. Here is the red one about the real temperature of the machine. This green one is the target temperature. If you want to set the target temperature to 140, press the reset, then up to 140, reset again, it's done. But these two numbers should be the same. When it reaches the same, you can run the machine. You can operate the same way with the end sealer temperature setting.